Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV chenro magero kathieth maduong' ma Londiani yudo sir tok bengi mar African Development Bank AFDB kachiel gi tend county bedo gi romo maneno kaka gedo mar kathieth no biro chakore kano lose kinde mane gitimo limbe kama gedo no biro muonyo omenda mano bilion 8. Jatend migawo mar omenda e county ma Kericho Jackson Rop leo ni winjruok ochiegni chopo gi bengi mar pinje Afrika ko giribiti biro chwe kogno kuom thuolo machuok mabiro. Ma en achiel kuom dongruok ma county ma Kericho timo ka gedo mar kathieth no biro kelo fuongruok ne jodak ma Londiani gi aluora mare.
They just wanted to see identification of land, whether the land is there and whether the land has any encumbrances. Are we going to evacuate some people? Are there any structures that we are going to demolish? Or what are the challenges that the land could be having? They have seen it for themselves, that this is a plain land, it has no encumbrances, it is 100 acres, it has been set aside for the Kericho County government to use as a PI land, and the title is being processed currently at the national headquarters.
Leo asubuhi tumeenda Kericho, tumekutana na wageni kutoka African Development Bank na wamekuja mpaka site, wametuhakikishia kwamba pesa iko tayari na hao pia wako tayari na hii project itaanza wakati wowote sasa.
Hata kushukuru viongozi wote ambao wamehusika kwa hii project wakiongozwa na wazee wetu Council of Elders ambao wanatoka Kipkelion West na Kipkelion East ambao wamesimama kidete kuhakikisha kuwa hii project imekuwa hapa. Na mambo yote tumejionea, watu wameongea na tumekubaliana kwa kauli moja project ianze.